Okay, for 412, they want us to find the dimensions and write the area as the product of the dimension as in a sum. So let's zoom in here, right? Let's get this a little bigger, right? Okay, so for A, we have 3y squared. So the way we can get 3y squared is we can take 3y, right, times y here. That's 3y squared. And then 3y times what is negative 12y minus 4, right? So the area for this one equals 3y times y minus 4, right? And that comes out to be, if I just add these areas, 3y squared minus 12y. Okay, for the next one, for B, we have, again, a 3y squared, so that's a 3y and a y, right? And then y times what is 5y, so that's 5, right, or plus 5, right, to make it easier to read. And then 3y times what is negative 12, right, so that's negative 4, right? And then we could check this. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20, so it works. So the area is 3y plus 5 times y minus 4. And if I multiply this out, or I add all these, I get 3y squared minus 12y plus 5y minus 20, right? And then these are like terms. So I get area equals 3y squared minus 7y minus 20. So here's written as a sum, here's written as a product, right?